Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia 2026. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the general interface of Camtasia video editing software 2026 in a few minutes. Just like what you see right here. So this is the first interface of Camtasia 2026. From the top right here, we have a new screen recording tab, and then we have another icon for new project, then open file, then capture image. You can now use Camtasia video editing software to screen record or screenshot your PC, and then generative script right here, and then collaborate. Then down below right here, you have your project recently opened. Then you have templates right here, which allow you to use different templates as the case may be. There are so many templates right here, such as vibrant window notebook, and also you have Mac, you have mobile interface. So the more you scroll, the more you see different templates that you can use now in Camtasia 2026. So if you scroll down right here, you have another features asset right here, just like what you see right there. Then you have free asset right here, icons, project templates, and themes. You have premium asset right here, as the case may be. So let's go ahead and check on the full interface of the new project. So we want to go ahead now and click on new project right here. See, it's Camtasia is moving. So right away we have the Camtasia interface workflow right here. So from the sidebar right here, you have all the toolbar are still remain right here. You can click on more right here, which allow you to see cursor effects, audio effects, and voice narration and caption. Although there are so many new features that have been added right here, which I'm going to explain to you in the nearest video. From the top right here, we have media tab, such as your screen record, your video clip, your audio file, and your image file right here. One more thing here is that you can expand right here. The more you drag, the more you expand your media library right here. You can take it back to it. And one more thing here is that you can also adjust the timeline right here, just like what you see right here. There are lots more new features that has been added in this particular new 2026 Camtasia. If you come to the top right here, you have so many zoom options right here, to the extent that you can now zoom to 2000% as the case may be. Go back to zoom fit. Then here you have from the timeline right here, you can also drag this way. If you want to expand your timeline track, you can also drag it this way. It's again if you want to disable the features. Then if you want to expand your track height, you can click on this particular icon right here, which allow you to drag. The more you drag, the more the track is going to increasingly, just like what you see right there. If you drag down, it's tiny. If you drag up, it's bigger and bigger. There are so many more new tools here that we're going to explore. From the media library right here, you come media library, you have everything right here. Then here you can connect. You have to connect to the internet before you have access to asset right there. Then click on library right here, which allow you to also import your media library in the same library right here. So you have come to annotation right here. There are much more new tools right here, just like what you see right here. Camtasia now add a new text format which allow you to instantly add stroke color. If I drag in this particular text into the timeline right here, then you find out that the property here come up and everything. So you can come here now, click on video icon to increase as the case may be. Now here I can come to the type and edit as many as possible. So what I want to do right here is to change the color. I can click on here. So I can pick on this color. This will give me a kind of straight outline right here. So you can work as many as possible options right here. I can decide to increase the stroke thickness right here with this particular slider. I can come to the top right here and decrease or increase the text size as the case may be, just like what you see right here. I can also use this particular icon right here. I also come to the video section right here and increase it as much as possible. Everything depends on what we are doing. Then we can move to arrow. We have so many types of arrow right here. We have so many basic shapes right here. If I click on basic, abstract, there are a lot of abstract. There are a lot of basic right here. There are a lot of bold shapes right here. If I click on here, you have more new features to dot section. So this is another sketch motion, and they had a new key right here as far as control key and whatever you maybe use and record. You can use different types of command key right here. Go to visual effect right here. Under the visual effect, there are more tools right here. This is a new tool, turn page right here, which is added recently. We can go to filter. There are more filters here, presets that you can use for your project right here now. Then go to transition. So under the transition, there are more transition added recently in Camtasia 2026, just like what you see right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see everything right here. So we got animation right here. We still have animation tab right here, and then nothing is actually added right here. You have pen and zoom in and zoom out as the case may be. Then we click on more right here. This will give us more new features as far as Camtasia video editing is concerned. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you